Welcome to Cooking with Jamie.
Like you guys, thanks for watching.
Here I'm just cracking the eggs on the Lodge cast iron griddle. I try to use a sharp edge to make the eggs crack evenly. I'm going to be doing 3 eggs here over easy, so I'm going to be flipping them over. I'm just adding some pepper, and then I will be adding a little seasoned salt to each egg to season the egg. You can use whatever seasoning you want. I'm just using them two. As soon as the egg white is cooked somewhat around the edges, then I'll flip the egg over, especially when it's a little brown on the bottom. Depending on how soft you want your yolk, is depending on how long you're going to cook them. I think I cooked them a little longer because the kids don't like the yolk that soft. Cooking the eggs this way in a Lodge cast iron griddle really gives them a good flavor. Now, since the kids don't want it really runny, so I'm just going to flip them over and let them sit on the other side for a minute or two. Now I'm just giving them another flip for the kids or whatever to make sure they're not runny. They should be pretty much done. There you have it, cooking over easy eggs on a Lodge cast iron griddle. Thanks for watching.